Hi viewers, welcome back again to one more other lecture session from this channel. So in this lecture session we will be studying regarding role of microbes as biofertilizers from the microbes in human welfare in detail. So here with our present day lifestyle situations, environmental pollution is one of the greatest concern which we have observed in recent times. So in general, farmers they take the advantage of specific chemicals like fertilizers in order to enhance the productivity in agriculture. But here the uses of the specific chemicals like fertilizers, they are having many of the adverse effects. So here the specific chemicals like fertilizers, they are capable to affect many of the beneficial organisms like plants, animals and even the humans. So the reason why in recent times organic farmers have realized the fact, and here organic farmers have shifted to another option which is nothing but what? Organic farming. So here what exactly happens in case of organic farming here? In case of organic farming, usage of the specific microbes as biofertilizers takes place. So let me write it here. Usage of specific chemicals like fertilizers is in use in order to enhance the productivity in agriculture. But here the usage of the specific chemicals like fertilizers, it is having many of the adverse effects. So here the specific chemicals like fertilizers, they are capable to affect many of the beneficial organisms like plants, animals and even the humans. So the reason why organic farmers have shifted to organic farming. So here in case of organic farming, most commonly specific microbes are used as biofertilizers. So here what are the various microbes which are most commonly used as biofertilizers here? The various microbes which are most commonly used as biofertilizers, they may include bacteria, fungi and even the cyanobacteria. Organic farming is in use which involves the usage of microbes as biofertilizers. So here what are the various microbes which are most commonly used as biofertilizers here? The various microbes which are most commonly used as biofertilizers, they may include bacteria, fungi and even the cyanobacteria. So let me write here. Various microbes which are used as biofertilizers may include bacteria, fungi and even the cyanobacteria. So at first let us have a look how the specific bacteria it acts as a biofertilizer. So here we have already studied, we have already learned that there are specific bacteria which are capable to maintain symbiotic relationship with the specific leguminaceous plants. So here what are the specific bacteria which are capable to maintain symbiotic relationship with the particular leguminaceous plants here? The specific bacterium here it is nothing but what? Rhizobium. Rhizobium, it is the specific bacterium which is capable to maintain symbiotic relationship with the specific host plants like leguminaceous plants. So here what are the various leguminaceous plants here? The various leguminaceous plants, they may include alfalfa, sweet clover, sweet bean and even the lenticels. So just let me write it here. Rhizobium is a specific nitrifying bacterium. Bacterium which maintains symbiotic relationship with the specific leguminous plants. So here what are the various leguminous plants here? The various leguminous plants, they may include alfalfa, sweet clover, sweet bean, and the other one is lenticels. So at first let us have a look how the particular nitrifying bacterium, they are capable to maintain the symbiotic relationship with the particular host plant. So let me show it here. So here let us assume it is the internal root anatomy. So here the internal root anatomy of the particular host plant. And here on the peripheral region of the particular root, here we can observe specific hair-like structures which are nothing but what? Root hairs. So here it is nothing but what? Root hairs. And here all these are nothing but the nitrifying bacterium. Right? So here in order to attract the nitrifying bacterium towards the tip of the root host plant, the specific host plant, it releases certain kind of chemicals into the soil, and here the specific chemicals, they are nothing but what? Chemoattractants. So here what are the various chemoattractants here? The various chemoattractants, they may include isoflavonoids and even the betaines. So here as the name itself suggests, why they are termed as chemoattractants here? Because basically they are chemicals and they are capable to attract the nitrifying bacterium towards the tip of the root host plant. So the reason why they are termed as what? Chemoattractants. And here the specific chemoattractants, they may include isoflavonoids and even the betaines. Chemoattractants. So here the various chemoattractants, they may include isoflavonoids and betaines. So here by taking the advantage of specific chemoattractants like isoflavonoids and even the betaines, the specific host plant, it is capable to attract the nitrifying bacterium towards the tip of the root host plant. So here all these are nothing but what? The chemoattractants, right? So here by taking the advantage of chemoattractants, here the nitrifying bacterium, it reaches towards the tip of the root host plant. So here after reaching to the tip of the root host plant, the specific nitrifying bacterium, it is capable to trigger or it is capable to secrete specific genes known as nodulation genes. So let me write it here. Nodulation genes. So here once when the particular nodulation genes, once when they undergo expression, here they are capable to induce the production of lipochitin, oligosaccharide signaling molecules. So here by taking the advantage of the specific lipochitin oligosaccharide signaling molecules, here the root hair curling, it takes place. Is it clear? Root hair curling, it has took place because of the specific lipochitin oligosaccharide signaling molecules. After the successful formation of root hair curling, now here the specific nitrifying bacterium, they are capable to enter into the internal region of the specific host plant by taking the advantage of infection thread. So here it is nothing but what? Infection thread. And here the particular infection thread, it is composed of and it is made up of Golgi derived secretory vesicles. Golgi derived secretory vesicles. So here by taking the advantage of infection thread, here the nitrifying bacterium, it is capable to enter into the internal region of the specific host plant. Infection thread. So here, once when the particular nitrifying bacterium, once when they are capable to reach to the internal region of the specific host plant, now here the specific nitrifying bacterium, they are capable to secrete specific phytohormones like auxin and even the cytokinin. Nitrifying bacterium. Nitrifying bacterium, they are capable to secrete specific phytohormones like auxin and even the cytokinin. Auxin and cytokinin. So here the particular auxin and even the cytokinin, they are responsible for regulating the cell growth and even the cell elongation. So here because of the secretion of the specific phytohormones like auxin and even the cytokinin, here the mature nodule formation occurs here. So here it is nothing but what? Mature nodule formation. Mature nodule formation. Mature nodule formation. Nodule formation. So here after the successful formation of mature nodule formation, now here the nitrifying bacterium, it is capable to provide the specific nitrogen from the particular soil. So here once when the particular nitrifying bacterium, once when it successfully provides the particular nitrogen from the atmosphere, now here the particular nitrogen, it is successfully utilized by the particular host plant in order to synthesize or here in order to produce the specific amino acids, nucleotides and even the nucleic acids. Is it clear? The nitrogen which is provided by the particular nitrifying bacterium to the specific host plant, it is successfully utilized in order to produce or in order to induce the production of amino acids, nucleotides and even the nucleic acids. Is it clear? So in this way the particular rhizobium bacterium, it is capable to maintain the symbiotic relationship with the specific host plants like leguminous plants. Is it clear? So let me arrange the things here. So here, in addition to the specific symbiotic bacteria, there are specific free living bacteria like azotobacter and even the azospirillum, which are responsible for enhancing the nutrient quality in the soil surface. So let me write it here. Specific free living bacteria like azotobacter and azospirillum is responsible for enhancing the nutrient quality or the nutrient concentration in the soil surface. Nutrient concentration in the soil surface. Is it clear? So here this is regarding bacteria. So here in this way the particular bacteria, it acts as a biofertilizer. Then in the same way how the particular fungi, it acts as a biofertilizer. Here the specific fungi, it is capable to maintain the symbiotic relationship with the specific plants like mycorrhiza. Fungi maintains symbiotic relationship with the specific host plants like with the specific host plants like mycorrhiza. So here certain members of the family genus known as glomus, they are capable to form the specific members of the mycorrhiza. Certain members of the family genus like glomus is responsible for the formation of mycorrhiza. So here, to the specific mycorrhiza host plant, the particular fungi, it is responsible for providing the phosphorus from the soil surface. So here the particular fungi, it is responsible for absorbing the particular phosphorus from the soil, and here the particular fungi, it is responsible for providing the phosphorus from the soil surface into the host plant. Fungi is responsible for providing phosphorus from the soil surface into the specific host plant. Is it clear? So here the symbiotic relationship or the symbiotic association of the particular fungi with a particular host plant, it is having many of the advantages here. Because of the symbiotic association of the particular fungi with the host plant like mycorrhiza, the particular host plant, it is having many of the advantages here. So here the symbiotic association of the particular fungi with the host plant, it is responsible for providing resistance to the particular host plant against the specific root-borne pathogens. Is it clear? Symbiotic association of the specific fungi with the host plant provides resistance to the host plant against root-borne pathogens. And even the symbiotic association of the particular fungi with the particular host plant, it is also responsible for inducing the tolerance to the particular host plant against the drought conditions and even against the salinity conditions. Is it clear? In order to resist the specific drought conditions and even the salinity conditions, here the symbiotic association of the particular fungi with the host plant, it plays a prominent role. Because of the symbiotic association of the particular fungi with the particular host plant, the particular host plant, it is capable to resist the adverse conditions like drought conditions and even the salinity conditions. Host plant is capable to resist the adverse conditions like drought conditions and even the salinity conditions. Because of the symbiotic relationship. And then after we will be studying regarding the role of the specific microbe like the particular cyanobacteria. So here how the particular cyanobacteria it act as a biofertilizer. So let me arrange the things here. So here, in addition with the particular bacteria and fungi, even the particular cyanobacteria, it also acts as a biofertilizer. So in general, the specific cyanobacteria, they are autotrophic microbes which are most commonly observed in case of terrestrial environment and even in case of the aquatic environment. Cyanobacteria are autotrophic microbes which are present in terrestrial and aquatic environment. So here what are the various members of the particular cyanobacteria here? The various members of the particular cyanobacteria, they may include Anabina cycadesiarum. So let me write it here. Various members of cyanobacteria may include Anabina cycadesiarum, and the other one is Nostoc punctiforme, and the next one is Oscillatoria. So here all these are the various particular cyanobacteria which are most commonly responsible for providing the atmospheric nitrogen to the particular host plant. So here because of the availability of the various microbes as biofertilizers, most commonly in recent times, here microbes are used as biofertilizers instead of taking the advantage of specific chemicals like fertilizers. Because of the availability of the specific microbes as biofertilizers commercially dependence on the specific chemicals like fertilizers has decreased, right? So here this is regarding role of microbes as biofertilizers, and in the next upcoming lecture session we will be studying regarding the DNA fingerprinting from the molecular basis of inheritance in detail. So here I hope that this video will help you a lot. So if you like this video, just hit the like button and share it to your friends.